Hello guys, I'm Sanjay. Welcome to my food channel. Today I'm going to be making Lachha Paratha, and this is the best recipe I have ever tried, and it came out really well. You guys should give it a try. Let's begin. I have always heard from people that making Lachha Paratha it takes forever and it's not easy to work on. But look at this, how easily and how simply I'm doing this. And you can do that too. It's just all about making your dough right and giving it enough rest. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I really hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, be sure to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And all the ingredients I have used gonna be down below in the description box. and give this recipe a try and leave a comment down below so I can know how was it. Thank you.